Gonna make these chipotle bowls. We're gonna start off with one of these bad boys. Put in some rice. And over here, we got our chicken. We have our lettuce, our corn over there. We got the salsa. We got a sour cream. We got our guacamole. We even got shredded cheese. Ain't never go wrong with pico. Whoppa! Chipotle bowls! Got your pinto bean here, your black bean there. Oh, we're building a nice bowl here. Y'all thought I was to be fucked with, and I'm not. And voila. Chipotle bowl! Chipotle who? Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Get into it.